Class 11 Accountancy Multiple choice questions on theory base of accounting. So let us discuss different types of multiple choice questions on the chapter theory base of accounting. Question number 1. Generally accepted accounting principles can be accepted when they have characteristics, namely relevance, objectivity, feasibility, and all of this. So what should be the correct answer? In my opinion, correct answer should be all of this. Generally accepted accounting principles should have all these three characteristics. Question number 2. Accounting principles are A. Made by men, B. Made by government, C. Made by law, and D. None of the above. So correct answer should be accounting principles are made by men. So our answer is A. Question 3. Various names of accounting principles are A. Concepts, B. Assumptions, C. Conventions, and D. All of this. So what should be the answer? In my opinion, the correct answer is all of these. Accounting principles are also known as concepts, assumptions, and conventions. Question number 4. According to going concern concept, a business is assumed to have a limited life, B. an indefinite life, C. a very long life, and D. a very short life. So what should be the correct answer? Correct answer should be B. According to going concern concept, business is assumed to have an indefinite life. Number 5. Concept of consistency means all principles and procedures of accounting are used. Accounting principles and methods should remain consistent from year to year. All the firms under the same industry should use identical accounting principles and procedures, and the all of the above. In my opinion, the correct answer should be B. Accounting principles and methods should remain consistent from year to year. 6 number. According to which concept even the proprietor of the business is treated as creditor of the business? A. Money measurement concept, B. Cost concept, C. Dual aspect concept, and D. Business entity concept. So owner is considered as creditor as per business entity concept. That means answer is D. Business entity concept. 7. According to which concept those facts are recorded in the books of accounts which is expressed in terms of money? Point A. Money measurement concept, B. Cost concept, C. Dual aspect concept, and D. Business entity concept. So according to which concept we record transaction in terms of money? So correct answer is A. Money measurement concept. 8 number. Accounting period concept means A. Period of 9 months, B. Indefinite period, C. Period of 12 months, and D. Period fixed by management. So the correct answer is a period of 12 months. So accounting period concept means a period of 12 months. So the correct answer is C. A period of 12 months. 9 number question. Closing stock is valued at cost or market price. Whichever is lower is due to A. Going concern concept, money measurement concept, prudence that means conservatism concept, or matching concept. So why closing stock is valued at cost or market price, whichever is less? So the correct answer is prudence concept, conservatism concept. Provide for our likely losses and gains. That is C. 10 number. Accounting records are made from the point of view of A. Proprietor, B. The business, C. Both A and B above, and D. None of the above. So we all know accounting records are made from the point of view of the business. We record the transactions for business, not for the owner. So the correct answer is B. The business. Next, number 11. Quantitative transactions are not recorded in account due to which concept? So revenue recognition concept, money measurement concept, prudence, that means conservatism concept, or matching concept. So we all know quantitative transactions are not recorded. We record monetary transactions, and so the answer should be B, money measurement concept. 12 number. As per the Income Tax Act, accounting period is A, from 1st January to 31st December, B, from 1st April to 31st March, C, Diwali to Diwali, and D, from 1st July to 30th June. So, as per the Income Tax Act, accounting period is, answer is B, from 1st April to 31st March. 13. According to dual aspect concept, we all know assets should be equal to capital plus liabilities. So out of these four, which one is correct? Assets should be equal to capital plus liabilities. So A is not correct. B is also not correct. Yes, C. In C, assets are equal to capital plus liabilities. So correct answer is C. D is also not correct. C is the correct answer. 14. Accrual concept is based on A, matching concept, B, dual aspect concept, C, cost concept, and D, going concern concept. So we all know in matching concept we match expenses and revenue, whether they are paid or not paid, received or not received. That means accrual concept is based on matching concept. In matching concept we match expenses and revenues, whether paid or not paid. So accrual concept is the answer. 15. As per cost concept, an asset is recorded in the books at market value, at the price at which it was acquired, at the selling price, or none of this. So we all know, as per the cost concept, any asset purchase we record at the price at which it is acquired. So correct answer is B. 16 number. Profit of a period is measured on the basis of matching concept, consistency concept, cost concept, and none of the above. So we find profit by matching cost and revenue, whether paid or not paid, whether received or not received. So in my opinion, the correct answer of 16 is A, matching concept, as we match cost with revenue to find profit. So A is the answer. 17. On the basis of which accounting concept assets are classified into current assets and non-current assets? So cost concept, money measurement concept, going concern concept, matching concept. So current assets and non-current assets means short-term assets and long-term assets. So this classification is based on which concept? So the answer is C, going concern concept. 18. Quantitative transactions are not recorded in the account due to, it has already been discussed, it is due to money measurement concept. Quantitative transactions are not recorded. We record transaction in terms of money. So answer is B, money measurement concept. Next, number 19. Which of the following is an accounting concept? So here four transactions are given, four items are given: cost, retirement of manager, checking of the honesty of the accountant, auditing. So which one is accounting concept? So correct answer is A, cost concept. We have one concept, cost concept. So A is the answer. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. I will come with a similar type of videos. Thank you from Kishore Chavan.